Gold and silver both traded bearish for the day. Specifically silver, as I shared in the morning update with the Asia session, that below 2350 we can see a very good fall in silver, and 2320 levels certainly the next support. It went till towards 2310 and now trying to recover. At the same time, gold has gone to my favorite. I had asked that below 1958, 1954 is the first support. It has done 1954, trying to recover now. So which position you should take trading gold and silver? Now we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. This is the second update for the day. So pressing the bell icon helps you keep updated with the twice a day analysis. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel where you get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels straight as per the. Now, let's talk about 1954 for gold. See, this is 1954. This is again 1954. Multiple candles getting rejected at 1954 indicates certainly it is a very good support, and we have seen this today again. Now I will wait for this to breach below that. Certainly 1950 is something which I will wait. If it breaches below 1950, you can consider gold as bearish below that. At the same time, right now what is happening, you can see two candles getting double bottom and trying to recover. But at the same time, see these four candles, 1965-66 zone. Yes, this is the level. If it breaches, you can consider a reversal in gold where it may try to hit 1970-75 levels. Till the time it stays below 1965, we have to be watchful and alert. Now see what it has done here is lower highs are formed, flat bottom. You can buy here at 1965 and expect it to rise. And at the same time, you can sell here at 1954 and expect it to drop. In between these $11, we are not going to take any position. Stochastic is flat here. The MACD on the hourly chart is willing to converge crossover. It has not yet crossed over. This is the second wave which it might try to form. See first wave here, then here. Now again it may try to form the second wave. Let's watch out for it little more. RSI trying to look upwards, and if you look at 2 hour, now look at 2 hour chart. See also double bottom, diminishing body size here. The tail is longer on both of the candles, indicates that once it stays above 1962 you can expect 65, and once 65 is taken there could be chances of a little more rise. Now if you look at 2 hour charts, what it has done, see previously supports were here, there were multiple orders which had gone for buying. Now it has closed these orders, now trying to take a direction, possibly staying below 1954. We may see it again resuming the bearish trend. The stochastic is seen rising here. The MACD on the 2 hour charts is still bearish and it is still on the journey towards bottom, but right now it is not willing to converge. Let's see if it converges, crosses over, because we can see it very near to the zero line and still there is room for it to rise. If you look at the RSI, this is also hit bottom. Look at 3. Now on the 3 hour chart, see the previous two candles, lower highs, lower low. This candle trying to come out of this. Yes, beyond 1962, 1965, this is the zone beyond which only further bullishness till towards 1970 levels will be seen, and if it stays above 1970, that is the time beyond which you can say that these orders might also, it may try to attempt and achieve these levels also at 1980-85. Stochastic is certainly gone oversold here on the 3 hour charts, but at the same time the MACD is still bearish. It is not yet crossed over. It is trading with little divergence. RSI almost flat near to bottom. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, now looking at 4 hour chart, see support here, double bottom here. If you consider this as box, possibly till the time it stays in box, it may try to achieve the highs again, which means a possibility of it to hit 1980 again exists. But there are certain resistances it needs to break past by. First is very strong levels 1965, and if it stays above, we can say that little more bullishness 1970, 75, 80 will be seen. So $5 trailing stop loss above 65 levels is a good buying opportunity there. If you see the stochastic here, it is trading oversold, may try to recover. However, the MACD is trying to cross over. This is first red candle, but this is trading with very little divergence. Let's see if it continues. RSI again at bottom, and look at daily. Now see on the daily charts, almost double bottom, two candles in succession. Now this green candle is completely engulfed by these two red candles. At the same time, you can see the increasing body size is increasing bearishness, a flat top. Now, flat top is where a little sign can be expected that there is a possibility that it can try to breach past these levels. But let's be alert, let's be cautious, and only buying opportunity you should take at 1965 only. Beyond that, 1970 and 75. These two levels, if it breaks, then you can say it is bullish. Stochastic almost flat there. The MACD is still bearish divergent, and this is a long streak of bearishness here. First, second, now it is trying to flatten out here. Let's see if it rises from here. RSI looking down, and considering this a sell entry only is below 1954, where you can expect 1950, and staying below 1950 you can hold it for tomorrow also, which might take it towards 1935 1915 levels. Be cautious and alert for 1950 levels, below which more bearishness 1935 1915 1900 levels can be expected there. Hence watch out for that. At this 1950-35, just watch out for these two first. These are very strong support levels. On the upside, yes, 1965 you should wait. If it breaks past this, you can expect 1970, 72, 75. Now 70, 75 is something which, if it breaks, you can consider it for a reversal for 80, 85 zone, and beyond that is sky's the limit. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Do not miss this opportunity. You can equip yourself with the tools, techniques, strategy, which can also help you become a profitable trader and an independent trader. Also, if you do not have time, you can join my signals channel, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Again, it's the same email ID and Telegram ID you can reach out to. Now look at the hourly charts for silver here. See, symmetrical candles, two candle identical in nature. It may try to close here, it may try to close here. Now this could be a potential reversal indication, but here you can see these two candles on the hourly chart, double top at 2028. Hence 2328. So 2330 is the level beyond which it is going to confirm the rise there. Now also see this, a resistance at 2320. You can recall these are my favorite levels. I have been mentioning this since long. Now beyond 2323 you can buy for 2328, and if it breaks past 2330, then you can say that silver might try to give you little more rise, which in fact can take it till towards 1945-50 levels or 2345-50 levels, and hence you have to be watchful of this. Now see, stochastic, it is consistently trading oversold. MACD is still bearish. RSI also, it is trading oversold, which increases the chance of a reversal. Right now it is still trading with a very much bearish bias. Now look at on the 2 hour charts, flat bottom. Possibly this candle can be one of the reversal candle. It can try to form a symmetry here. It can try to achieve till towards 2328, 2330 levels. Hence a safe entry is only about 2330, beyond which you can consider 2340, 2345 levels, which is going to be the next resistance. Stochastic again oversold here. The MACD is extremely divergent and bearish, but it appears the high is done, and from here it may try to converge a little. RSI again oversold, and if you look at 3 hour chart, on the 3 hour charts, see, the previous candle is equally important, where the body is very small, the movement is also small. This can be a potential reversal indication, where we can see an identical candle. See, double bottom is already formed here, which means a potential rise till 2328 cannot be denied, and from there it can try to pull it little up till towards 2340, 2345 levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI again oversold. And if you look at 4 hour, similar is the observation on the 4 hour chart. So first of all, yes, about 2330 you can buy, but then 2340, 2350 till 2350 it has got major resistance. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD, which was trading in green so far with the moderate slope, is again crossed over and trading with little divergence, trading with little bearish bias, and the stock RSI is again come to oversold zone with couple of red candles. Now look at the daily. Now see, on the daily charts, the 20 and 50 period moving averages have started to cross over here. This is a very important day. As this crosses over, more bearishness may prevail here. Now the resistance there at 24, 24, 20 is going to be very strong. Even if it tries to reverse from here, these levels are going to be the prime resistance zone. Now if you look at silver, it is trading in this bearish zone, $23 now the support level, and on the upside the 2370, 2360 levels are very good resistance. So this is the zone where one has to remain cautious and alert. It is now trading below the 2050 100 period moving average. Stochastic looking down here, trading bearish. The MACD is again trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI is looking down. Considering this, now a sell entry is something which I will recommend you to take only and only if you see it trading below $23 levels, because 23 now is going to be a very good support. Yes, it can drop below 23 and it can drop till towards 2280, 2260, 50 levels also, but then we have to watch out for. Right now it signals a little reversal which might take it till towards 2330, and 2330, that is the level only above which you can buy. Expect 2340, 50 levels, which is going to be the very good resistance zone. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.